The following video is a TRAK DPM 2 CNC vertical bed mill. Steve is going to run a brief video demonstration for you today.
Got the control powered up. I'm in DRO mode currently. You can see I'm winding the Y axis currently, and now the X axis. Okay. And of course the Z. Take the lock off, bring the Z down, boom, back, repeatability. Everything looks good there. So again, I can run it. Happens to be reversed. We'll run it forward. Now that happens to be 1,000 RPM. So if I want to let me go into jog mode, and I can go into keys are active, okay? So I can go into an X jog. Let me turn that down, it's a little bit quick, RPM wise. Okay. X is moving. Plus and minus directions, no problem. In the Y, we're moving in a negative. We're moving out in the positive. Ball screws sound very good. I'm going to try and turn it up a little bit. We're limited on power, but I'm going to try and get up to 50 or 60 here. Let's try that. Okay. All right, let's go back to X. And of course Z. Beautiful. The ball screws sound really, really nice. My bad. Spindle speed. I'm going to turn that to 2,000. Ink set. Spindle speed 2,500. Ink set. Other half goes up. Sounds really nice. Spindle speed. I'm going to drop it down to 1,500. Nice machine.
Again, the preceding video was a TRAK DPM 2 CNC vertical bed mill.